Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have the Double R Bar Burger from Roy Rogers. And this is really simple to do. As you can see here, I've got quarter-pound patties of 80/20 ground chuck, and I just season them up with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Then, once your burgers are cooked, add one slice of American cheese, and then grab a little squirt bottle filled with water, create a little steam, melt that cheese up, and we'll be ready for assembly. Okay, so now according to the Roy Rogers restaurant people themselves, there is no specific set of condiments or anything that goes along with the burger. Basically, it's your choice. There's only one unique ingredient to it. So I decided to go a little bit along the Baconator route. And as you can see here, I've got mayonnaise on one of the on the top bun, and then some ketchup, kind of the classic Baconator type thing. Then we want to add our patty, and then some fried ham. And that's kind of the only necessary ingredient to this, is that ham. And then just pop the top on. And that's it. A Roy Rogers Double R Bar Burger. Done.